Good evening, everybody. My name is Rene Avellaneda, and this is my breaking through speech. It was March 15th, while sitting in the principal's office with my name Rene Avellaneda on the back piece of a citation for being accused of assaulting one of my teachers. Now that's bad, don't take me wrong, but I felt a simple mistake like that, it couldn't harm my future. But I had no idea what I was getting myself into. I hung around with the wrong crowds. I didn't care about school. Could have cared less about it. Didn't mean anything to me at the point until the day that I found out about Genesys works. I mean, who would have thought that for going to throw away my citation, I would run into the smallest flyer hanging on the principal's wall that would have the biggest impact on my life. When I found out about the program, I asked him, and he directed me to Mrs. Taylor, the school's co-op teacher. Now, I went mainly just to get out of class, and sure enough, I did. But I also took the chance and applied for the program. It was way past the deadline, so I felt I had no chance in getting in. Now, nearly a week passed, no word, but then I got a letter from Ms. Taylor stating that Genesys Works wanted me to come down for an interview. Now, I used to be a quiet, shy person. I had no idea what to expect. I spent all my time worrying on how the interview was going to go, that I didn't prepare for what was going to be thrown my way. So, after the interview, I felt like I really bummed it. I mean, all the other interviewees, they were much sharper, more presentable. I guess you could say they were more professional than I was. Nearly 2.5 weeks passed. No word from Genesys Works. I started giving up hope. I started going back to my old ways. Started forgetting about changing my life. But then as I was getting checked out of school one day by my mother, Ms. Taylor caught up and personally hand-delivered a letter from Genesys Works. I opened it. I read on. It said that I had made it to the 2nd level and they wanted me to come down for a summer training program. Now, I wasn't sure. A summer training program? Should I spend my summer while all my friends are out having fun? Had no idea, no clue what to do. So I went to my family for help. I asked my brothers and my father first. They said I shouldn't do it. They said that I should work my summer like they had in the past and save up my money. But then I asked my mother. Nah, she said I should go for it because she didn't want to see me working in no refinery like my brothers and my father. She said she wanted me to do something with life. So I went for it. And during course, Genesys Works, they made us do a lot of unusual activities that I felt weren't going to help us at all. They sent us out to talk to complete and total strangers whom we had no idea who they were, where they were from, but we were to make total and complete conversation. I mean, they even made us sing nursery rhymes. I came down for a training program. I didn't come down to sing lullabies. But who would have thought that those silly little exercises would help me break through my shell? And on top of that, that was just half of the training. We also had a technical. That was a wonderful side for me. Genesys Works introduced me to a whole new world of engineering softwares, like Inventor 3D and AutoCAD. We worked mainly with AutoCAD, 2010 to be exact. And they even took us down to the University of Houston downtown to take an AutoCAD certification exam. I mean, I thought I was going to fail that. But I was one of the few engineers in class 9 interns to pass it. And that motivated me. It showed me that I had what it takes to keep going. So towards the end, as internships started getting closer, I started giving them my best, my all. I started seeing my life change from the way I dressed, the way I spoke. I mean, even my posture wasn't the same. Everything was different about myself. I thought I was going to have to drop out of school and go work in the refineries like my brother. But Genesys Works, they helped me set my life on the right track. And now, at the age of 17, I am working for an enormous distributor of the world's oil and natural gas industry, known as TransCanada. I thought I would never be an important individual in this world. But here at TransCanada, I help build and design spreadsheets in corporate America that help the company in gigantic and enormous ways. I mean, they've introduced me to many important individuals in corporate America, and I would one day like to be like them. And as for Genesys Works, they have opened many doors of opportunities for me, and they've made me a role model for my younger siblings that I felt I would never be. I have given them hope to grow up and be something in life, to further their education. And as for me, I will go to college after I graduate this June. And I will pursue a career in civil engineering. And I'd like to thank Genesys Works for putting forth an effort to helping me change my life. Because without this program, I'll still be sitting in the principal's office, or who knows, maybe even worse. Thank you.